Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can stop stream sniping from happening if you play games like Valorant, Counter-Strike, etc. Things where you have to know where they are and they're stream sniping you. If you're really famous, but I don't think people will ever stream snipe me. But anyways, to delay your stream, you're just going to go to the settings tab here. Then you are going to scroll down, go to advanced settings, and there's stream latency. Setting a stream latency will delay your live and audio. So you're just going to enable that, and you're going to add in the delay duration. Maybe you want it to be 6 seconds. And then that is pretty much how you can enable stream latency. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.